Unscrew the two screws on the back panel. Pull apart the two sides and push upwards with force to remove the back panel. Remove the buckle clips on both sides. After disassembling the outer skin of the seat, install and fix the base and the locking pieces. Tighten the two screws of the locking pieces. Make corresponding perforations in the seat sponge. Install the screw support column. After installing the outer skin of the seat properly, attention! The fixed bracket of the rotating shaft should be installed inside the leather cover. Position the hardware rotating shaft of the fixed bracket of the rotating shaft on the outer skin. Make perforations at the position screw points. Fix the hardware rotating shaft firmly at the perforated points. Install the housing of the rotating shaft. First, mark the positions of the points and then make holes on the leather cover. Fix the screws of the rotating shaft housing. The power cord of the device. Fix the screen panel. Take the power supply from the footwell lighting location under the seat. Press and hold the power button on the top of the TV for 2 seconds to turn it on. Turning it off is also the same. Just press and hold the power button on the top of the TV for 2 seconds.